Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. Today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw a cartoon Shaggy from a pup named Scooby-Doo from a 1980 series. I really like that technique and that style that they used. It was really classic and fun. Anyways, so if you got your pencils and you got your paper, let's begin. All right. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video that I had to share with you how to draw Shaggy from a pup named Scooby-Doo. In another episode, I'm actually going to share with you how to draw the actual model sheet, the side, the 3/4, the front shot, and the back, and how the character actually rotates. This is typically what an animator actually needs to use and understand the model sheet when they're animating. So stay tuned for that one, and thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.